In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create ebook in Figma. Figma is an incredibly powerful design tool, and one of its greatest strengths lies in its vibrant community. This community offers a treasure trove of resources, including ready-made templates that can significantly speed up your design process. For something like an ebook, starting with a well-designed template means you don't have to build everything from scratch, allowing you to focus on your content and personal touches. This approach is not only efficient, but also ensures a professional-looking result, even if you're not a seasoned designer. To begin, you'll need to open Figma and navigate to the main interface. Once there, look towards the left-hand sidebar. You should see several options listed. Your first step is to locate and click on the Community tab. This action will open up Figma's extensive community library, where designers from all over the world share their files, plugins, and widgets. Think of it as a vast marketplace of creative assets, freely available for you to explore and utilize in your own projects. Taking this initial step opens the door to countless design possibilities. After you've entered the community section, you'll see a search bar, typically positioned at the top of the interface. This is where we'll narrow down our search to find exactly what we need. For our purpose of creating an ebook, you'll simply type ebook into this search bar. As you type, Figma will start to populate results, showcasing various ebook templates, design kits, and related resources shared by other creators. Take a moment to review the suggestions that appear. This precise search helps filter out irrelevant designs, presenting you with a curated selection of resources perfectly suited for your ebook project. Once the search results for ebook appear, you'll be presented with a range of templates to choose from. Take your time to browse through them. You can click on different templates to preview their pages, layouts, and overall design aesthetic. Look for a template that resonates with your vision for the ebook style and structure. Once you've found one that you like, simply click on it. This action will typically open the template directly within your Figma editor as a new file, ready for customization. From here, you can start editing the content, replacing placeholder text with your own writing, swapping out images, adjusting colors, and modifying fonts to match your brand or personal preference. This is where your creativity comes into play, transforming a generic template into your unique and engaging ebook. Remember to regularly save your work as you make changes. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can leverage the power of Figma's community to quickly and efficiently create a professional-looking ebook.